Happy Friday, parents. I hope that you guys had a great week. I know that I sure did, and it was so great to have the kiddos back in the building and to see half of their smiling faces. And it is just so funny to see how bright their eyes are, and you can totally see their excitement and their happiness even with the mask on. And so thank you for sharing them with me. Just a couple of reminders that you will see noted in the email and also through this message today. All students will start on Monday, so it won't be split at all starting on Monday. So all kiddos will return on Monday. When the kiddos return, just a couple of reminders. All students need to be in dress code Monday through Thursday, which is the full uniform. And online, you can find a document that explains the colors that the students can wear. This also includes that they need to have tucked in shirts each day. And also their jackets, their sweatshirts for in the classroom or sweaters need to also be dress code. On Fridays, they can pay $1 to wear jeans with a dress code top or a spirit shirt. A couple other things. The kiddos did such a great job wearing masks all day. Most of them didn't seem impacted by them. They did such a great job and kind of get some sore ears, but other than that, they did great. We did notice, however, that the gator masks that go over the neck and come up over their face are a bit challenging. They stretch out a lot during the day and they don't stay covering the mouth and the nose. And so we ask that those don't come to school. And you can just kind of start phasing them out just because we want to make sure that we're keeping the kiddos safe, and those masks, unfortunately, are not staying on their faces very well. Also, a couple of the masks are just a little bit too big, so trying to find sizes that work best for your kiddos so that they're comfortable. Also, I just want to say thank you guys so much for packing such healthy snacks and lunches. If your kiddo didn't bring a snack this week, no problem. Next week would be a great day to start packing a snack, as we are the last lunch in third grade, so we don't eat until 12:30, so that students definitely do get hungry. Just a reminder that all snacks have to be nut-free and healthy too. As for lunches, I think that all of the lunches looked great this week, so thank you for that. Just one quick reminder with lunches, please send drinks that are not colored, just because with eating in the classroom, the spills definitely are a little bit more noticeable on carpet when we spill things like juices and Gatorade. So I appreciate those not coming to school starting on Monday. Just a couple other things, a couple of dates. So August 18th, which is next Tuesday, we will be having our picture day, so the students need to come in formal dress. You should see a packet that came home in their Friday folder, either yesterday or today, for pictures, so please send that back on Monday or Tuesday. Also, on August 25th, the following Tuesday, we will be having a parent information night via Zoom that runs from 6 to 6:45, so I would love to see you guys all there. Other than that, we had a great first day back. We got to know each other. We organized our Avid binders, and the kiddos loved having the responsibility of having a binder and a planner. And so I am looking forward to getting to know your kiddo each day and getting to know you guys as well. So please reach out with any questions you have, and have a great weekend.